This is Mercia, and then this is Gwynedd. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units of archers, 4 units of swords, 3 units of cavalry plus yung sa general, so that's a total of 4. And then 7 units of spearmen. Sa kalaban naman, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units of spears, 3 units of swords, 1 long axe, elite axe infantry, right? And then meron silang dalawang archers with 3 javelins. And then yung horses nila 4 with 1 catapult. And let's see how this one will play out. Okay. So, favorite position ko talaga to na pagsama-samahin ng cavalry into one battle group. And, in this game, nandito sila sa left flank. And ang pinaka right flank ko is yung Tilu Spear Guard. Tilu Spear Guard. And then I also have the Tilu Spear Guard dito sa reserve natin. I also have 1 reserve unit of Tilu Spear Guard. So I always put the spear in the flanks para ma-prevent natin yung mga cavalry attacking the flank. So dito naman, what we're trying to do is we're trying to exhaust their catapults para maubos na yung ammunition. So medyo malakas lang yung damage ng catapult. Kaya what I normally do there is I send my cannon fodders or yung mga units na low level. So here, since they're using catapult, I cannot just stand back and wait for them to, to rain to bombard me with their catapult. So yan, sinugod natin sila with our longbowmen. Yung longbowmen natin, this is the strongest archer unit in the game. And so we have the archer duel, our archers against the militia feared archers. So feared lang to, kaya medyo madali lang talon yan. They also have the pure archers. So let's see who will win the duel here. Meron din silang javelin men, pero eto, they have shorter range. That's why I don't use them. I prefer to use yung archers. Yan na. So medyo natin na yung units natin dito because of the duel. Pero yan. And yung catapult naman is trying to bombard my cavalrymen here. So sayang. Pero kasi nakalapit na ako, kaya useless na rin yun sa akin. Yeah, so they attacked in the flank. Ito yung horsemen. Ito yung medyo need kong i-improve sa strategy ko, which is yung walang horsemen sa cavalry fight. Medyo hindi maayos yung battle formation natin dito, kaya yan, na-route yung isa kong units, yung Valley Armored Spearmen. And eto pang isa, route na rin. So mali yung battle formation natin dito. Kasi we attacked. Parang eager tayong masyadong kumatak. Ito naman, horsemen. So going straight to my longbowmen. Medyo delikado yan. I have my cavalry having cavalry duel against theirs. Meron na rin silang units na nag-route.
The men have been routed.
I have 3 units na nag-route. Pero battle still not yet over. Still have the longbowmen here. Kailangan kong ibaba yung cavalry ko. They're not doing anything. Here comes my reserves. Patay. Attacking the fleet.
Our men have turned tail and run!
Yung
The
sinasabi
cowards!
natin. Atake tayo sa likod ng nail force na nila. 9 na lang yun, but they can still do more damage, lalo na sa mga creatures. Yan na. Cavalry is on their way. They just have to hold.
Our men have rallied!
Dead na yung horses. Still have longbowmen. 3 units of longbowmen na magagamit pa natin. And then I have the Zulu Spear Guard, yung reserve natin, buo pa.
See, they flee before our might!
Their horsemen to and then charge again. I have to send in my reserves. Cavalry attack dito sa general ng kalaban. Sustain na rin ka ng casualties from 50, now they're down to 30 and 20 na. Medyo risky nga lang talaga pag pinagsasama-sama ko yung horses. Most players, what they do is they divide their horses. Nilalagay nila sa magkabilang horses. Pero sa akin kasi mas namamanage ko siya kung isang break lang siya. Medyo hindi ako magaling when it comes to micromanaging. Baka tayo sa flanks. So nag-turn na yung battle. Wala na siyang cavalry. Focus na natin.
Our men have rallied!
Still have longbowmen here.
The battle is turning in our favor!
So medyo mataas ang losses natin dito kasi mali yung natin, initial engagement. So we still won the field pero ano to, Pyrrhic victory.